The minimalist movement promotes simplicity in all aspects of one's life by focusing on only the essentials and avoiding excess. There are many advantages to living a minimalist lifestyle. By adopting certain minimalist practices into your life, you will be able to minimize stress and anxiety while increasing happiness. But before we continue, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the bell notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified instantly. Here are 6 minimalist habits you should adopt today. Number 1. Declutter. There are several advantages to decluttering your home, but the most important for me is that it provides a calmer environment, allowing you to clear your mind of clutter as well. While decluttering, ask yourself if this item offers you joy or serves a purpose. When you live with less clutter, it's easier to keep your home in order, which makes it easier to focus on what's most important. Number 2. Buy quality, not quantity. Quality things may be somewhat more expensive to buy, but they last longer and can actually save you money in the long term by not having to replace them on a regular basis. Minimalism is not about not purchasing anything at all, but rather about conserving and purchasing wisely. Number 3. Disconnect from social media. We regard social media as the new reality. When we read through our Facebook and Instagram feeds, we get a look into other people's lives, which can have an adverse effect on how we perceive our own lives to be. By disconnecting from social media every now and then, you will be able to focus on things that are important to you rather than always checking for updates. Instead of living through a screen, it's important to withdraw and focus on real life connections with friends and family members. Number 4. Stop compulsive shopping. It's easy to get caught up in the constant discounts and sales that stores may give. But remember that this is done on purpose to persuade customers to buy more. Shopping compulsively or mindlessly has a number of negative repercussions, including stress and debt. Don't get caught up in the aftermath and don't spend money you don't have simply because something is on sale. Number 5. Create more space. A large home is a happy home. Decluttering helps in the creation of more physical space. Moreover, consider taking care of your mental and emotional space. Do you have a lot of distractions that stop you from living a happy and fulfilling life? Try creating more space and concentrating on only the things that are important in all areas of your life. Number 6. Create a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of garments designed to be worn together which harmonizes in color and line. Limiting the number of things you own can be tough, but having a capsule wardrobe is an effective way to simplify your closet. You will be able to rotate your clothes more quickly and prevent wasteful buying if you create a capsule wardrobe. And that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notifications if you want to watch more videos like this.